how to staying cool during these hot summer temperatures. The Dale City Waterpark is a hidden gem within Woodbridge, Virginia. If you want more Woodbridge and Northern Virginia information, hit the subscribe button. My name is Claudia Nelson. I'm a local real estate agent and I bring you all kind of things local to Woodbridge, Northern Virginia, and of course, real estate information. Let's get into this beautiful Dale City Waterpark. Early morning walk with the dog. We're always going to the park and I figured I will try to record the water park while it's still closed. So I'm doing it from the outside. But it looks peaceful and so nice. Besides Dale City, there's also another big water park at Veterans Memorial Park, and then more pools within the Woodbridge, Virginia area. But honestly, the Dale City Water Park is the biggest one. The dog, of course, was with me because we went on his morning walk after that. Here is the kiddie area where you have the splash park. It's always so much fun. And of course, I filmed this from the outside, so not the best video there. Daily admission, you have the cost here. You see when it's opening, you see the times. Of course, the summer is when this is the busiest. Now, you are not allowed to bring in any outside food. They do have a place where they're selling you food inside. There's also a playground. There is a baseball field out there where they're playing baseball, and it's a really big park. We always go walking within the park. Andrew Leach Park, I never know how to pronounce that, so I'm sorry if I butchered that. We always go for walks right there. That's where we kind of access the trail. And then there are also creeks there. The dog loves it. He always goes in there to drink water and just to simply cool off, which you're gonna see right here. Anyway, great place to walk, great place to cool off, great place to be, and great place to walk the dogs. There is lots of parking available at the Dale City Water Park, and you truly cannot miss it. It's off of Dale Boulevard when you're driving towards Hoadley Road. There's also a basketball court where you can play. A lot of people bring their bikes to ride on the trail. And of course, inside the pool, it has the water slide. It has the area for the adults. It also has the area for the kids with the splash pool. So lots of fun, no matter of what age you are. There's always a good time to be had at the Dale City Water Park. Leave me a comment with your experience about the Dale City Water Park. And for more information, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this was helpful information.